Hello guys, I'm Sangits. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the site where you can earn the second dollar. I showed free cash in the last video. This time I will show you CoinPayu. Let's move on to the video. Yes, friends, we write our site as CoinPayu on Google. It also has an application. It also has a mobile application. I go to his site. Here, of course, my membership comes directly to the dashboard section. You can register after entering the username, email, password from the register section. I say login, I log in. Now this is our home page, friends. The draw section, deposit and references. Now here on the left, when we come to the surf address section, as you can see, 3.4, 6.2, 4.6. These are the site visits where you can earn Satoshi. I click. The site opens, friends. You can close this, so it can work in the background. It works for a second here. But you can't open the second one at the same time. You can't open the second ad. When we come to the Windows ad, when we come to the ads, we come to the surf ad in the same way. Look here, 4 pages, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on one page. I think 10. You can watch a minimum of 40 ads every day. Here you can also visit as an article and earn Satoshi again. We come to the main part, offers, friends. We don't look here, we go down a little. Here is JPX, BitLabs, and Wallfish. My advice is TimeWall. I'm coming to TimeWall. As you can see here. Of course, since I have an account, if you are connected to the same Gmail or any email, you can enter this site in the same way, that is, TimeWall. You can earn incredible Satoshi from here. Look, 11, 280, 1600, etc. Now I didn't show you TimeWall. I'll show you TimeWall in another video, but here's a little thing. At least now you've come here to TimeWall. Here you solve the survey. Our point came here. How do we do it? When we come to the withdrawal part, look at my previous withdrawals. 2,200. Then when the minimum 100 Satoshi comes here, you make a withdrawal. Where does it throw you? CoinPay Union comes here and appears here on the main page. Let's say you did these. Is there anything else to show here? We come to the profile section. We want to withdraw, we collected, we saved. There are almost 40 crypto coins or tokens in the wallet section. You can withdraw what you want from here. When we want to withdraw in dollars, we save our address here first. We say next. Here we enter our Bitcoin address. As I did, we say next here. Okay, we got this done. I come to the withdrawal part. We said Bitcoin here. Our address will automatically appear here. Let's withdraw Litecoin, not Bitcoin. Let's say you've already seen a survey. There are surveys for 2,000 Satoshi, 5,000 Satoshi, 600 Satoshi. Let's say we won 20,000 Satoshi. He says I'll give you this much Litecoin. And here the commission is 0, friends. I withdraw to Binance. It comes in 5 to 6 minutes. What else can we withdraw? Let me show you as follows. For example, your Satoshi has accumulated, but you don't know how many dollars it made. We have 50,000 Satoshi here. 50,000 Satoshi makes $13.27. Again, there is no transfer fee, friends. What else should I say here? As I said, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take 10 minutes, but let me say that. In 5 to 10 minutes, Binance or Coinbase goes to your account, friends. You can transfer it to any wallet. As you can see, you can claim Bitcoin, Para, Cronos, cryptocurrency and token daily in this section. How do you claim? We say claim. I'm waiting for the queue. You can do this every hour. You can also convert it with swap. This is the main balance. You can withdraw from here. I think I have nothing else to show. That's all. I use these systems myself. I share with you after I have the proof of withdrawal that I can withdraw money. You know that. I don't sell dreams. I want to help you by showing you what I earn when I win. I hope you make money. Thank you for watching me. See you. Bye bye.